after from centering. And that one is our key, is make this all covered inside the edge area, so we should not break anything. Okay. And then all we can do is just a little bit of carve, and then you see this layering between the tooths, and then maximize the translucency, more lifelike restoration. Just item 5000. You see the final one. We're going to be coating. Right, that one is what it look like after sintering. So inside the edge, let's maximize it. Here, same thing. So we almost block the chipping area as much as possible. Okay, so I'm using my tool from Horeca company, made in Germany. And then here's my polishing tools from silicone, high shine, medium. This is really essential. And there's another sintering, diamond sinter. I got sponsors from them. Right? Okay. Move chin down. Thank you. Move left. Alright, right. Okay, this is my view. Alright. Let's open up. Nope, I don't see any crack. So which is good. So this one is natural, lifelike, the pore looking, and the really good tissue contour and design. And then, okay, so that one is cool. Can you move to a little bit more forward, slightly? Can move other side. Just slightly, gently, down, touching, slightly move just a little bit out. Yep, just a little bit more out, slightly. Okay, other side. That's good. Alright, this is the Cyton 5000 cases. Alright, this is final. Can you look like this? More bigger. Open up. Thank you. We made to Dr. Chou. Amazing restorations here. Or just looks like teeth.